So first I'm gonna show you how to get a foggy effect. I'm gonna choose the drawing option and use the second pen. And then choose whatever color you want. Press hard on the screen. It's supposed to be this foggy effect. If you didn't get it, press it harder. And then I usually use eraser, which is the last option on the top, and write what I wanna say. And this is how you could get a foggy effect. First, I'm gonna use the classic text option on the top right corner, and then alternate to the strong effect. Move it around. Then we'll do it again, but change the color to the actual color on the image. And then we put it on the top of the previous one like this. And repeat this process again. Then you could see the 3D effect. Then we'll write summer with different text effect. This is how to write 3D effect letters, quite easy and simple. We use the text option and then press the A box on the top left. Change the color, and I normally go with the actual color on the image. Move it around the image. You could also change the color first and then press the A box. Both will work equally. After turning each letter into cubes, you could see the effect. I usually add some stickers because I think this looks better and more natural. I'm still using the drawing option and then choose the second pen, and then I'll write cutie. You could change the color if you want. I'll just use white. And then use the eraser, like a knife cutting the letter in the middle. And then you could write or type the same thing but a smaller one. And then you put it in the middle of the cutting letter. This is how you could get a cutting letters effect. Alright, this one's pretty easy. You choose the picture you want to share and make it a bit smaller on the screen. And then you type what you want to say and divide one sentence into two pieces with same length. Move it around and make them smaller. Put them on the top and right edge like this. And you got it! Alright, this is how you can make framing letters. That's all for today. Leave a comment, and we would love to hear which one is your favorite. Subscribe us for more tips. Thank you.